Today we're going to be making a Saturn, one of the few tropical style drinks that uses gin. Gin's notes of juniper and floral botanicals actually lend themselves really well to tropical drinks as they don't have the inherent sweetness of rum. So we're able to use a multitude of different syrups and liqueurs that you wouldn't have to balance out with a ton of citrus as you would in a rum drink. When choosing spirits for a drink, I always want to reach for brands that have sustainable practices in place. It's one thing to ensure that your homemade ingredients are made sustainably, but quite another to ensure that the brands that you're reaching for hold the same values. Barr Hill is an independently owned distillery and one that uses raw honey in the gin itself, which in turn provides habitats for pollinators and supports healthier agricultural systems overall. Many plants and ingredients that we use in cocktails would not be able to reproduce without the work of pollinators. The distillery also has a water recapturing system, so it has reduced its water usage by 83%. These are just some of the things that I look for when I'm reaching for spirits for my drinks. So let's go ahead and use 1.5 ounces of Barr Hill Gin. By using raw honey, there's also between 100 to 150 different floral botanicals that are found in the honey itself and therefore in the gin, which really make it a delicious choice for this cocktail. The orgeat that we're using in this drink is actually made from rye berries, which use far less water to grow than almonds. Using different types of grains and nuts in your orgeat also decreases the strain on agricultural systems, lessening the need for monocultural style farming. To this, we'll be adding 1/2 ounce of Chinola passion fruit liqueur. This is also made sustainably, has an apiary on site, so also supports pollinators, and it also uses low impact jungle farming, which is a sustainable and local way to source the passion fruits. For the falernum component, we've used miso instead of almonds, so not only is this drink going to be completely nut-free, the miso adds a little bit of like an umami flavor and a bit of nuttiness just to kind of boost the overall drink. And we're just going to balance that out with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And then go in and ice up here. Going to give that a little turn. Top it up with a bit more ice. And then we'll just finish that off with a little metal straw and an orange twist for fun. And there you have it. There is still a sustainable way to make old school classic cocktails. Oh, that's good.